Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm testing out something today that I've used other ones of this, but not this particular color blend. It's a color changing glitter, and I just kind of want to give it a try. So I've got 2 ounces of my Tancerex 1:1 resin here that I am just mixing up, mostly. Excuse me. And I'm going to add in a bird. You missed the birds, didn't you? Yeah, you did. I can't remember if 2 ounces is going to be enough, but if it's not, then, hey, we'll work that out. So I'm going to get this, and then this is sort of a greeny, goldy, pinky kind of blend that I'm just going to be relatively liberal with. I'm not going to go ham on it, but I am going to add enough to make a difference. Get that mixed in with our resin really well. And it's fine enough that it shouldn't sink a whole heck of a lot, which is what I'm looking for. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very sparkly. Very sparkly. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit and degas for a little bit, and I will see you guys back here in a few minutes. Okay, so this has been sitting for, a few minutes, just to degas itself a little bit, so we're just going to pour it into our little birdie friend here. Make sure to get his beak really well, and his tail. And just go slow. Okay, and before it gets completely filled, I'm just going to go in and squish his beak and his tail just to try to work out any bubbles that may be in there by chance. Boot the snoot a little bit and then fill it up. Alright, so there we have it. Once it's done, I will see you guys then. Alright, it is time to get our little birdie buddy out of his mold. So I am going to spray his tail with a little bit of alcohol because it is a little bit trickier to get out because it's flared at the end. But the rest of him is pretty easy. Heel. Just one little tiny bit. Shing, sparkle, sparkle. And look at him. Isn't that awesome? We did have a little bit of glitter fall or settle to the bottom, but that's fine. Look at that gorgeousness. And I don't see a bubble in the bit. I love that color changing glitter. It just doesn't pick up on camera. But you can see it's just sparkling from pinks to golds to greens and everything. Gosh, that is just so pretty. His tail looks perfect. Oh, I love him. So let me know what you guys think, our sparkly bird. Well, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you again for the next one. Take care, guys. Cheers.